Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to reset your Yahoo Mail forgotten password on your phone, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Yahoo Mail app. After you open up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on settings. So if you have a multiple Yahoo Mail, what you want to do here is to go ahead and select the Yahoo Mail that you want to reset the password. So I'm going to go ahead and select. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. Having selected the mail, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the mail profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on manage account. Then go ahead and click on account info. Then go ahead and click on security. Confirm your identity, and then it's going to take you to your security page right here. Go ahead and click on password. New password should be entered right here. So when you are done, hit on continue. And you'll be taken to where you will need to sign into the account again. Go ahead and click on next. Then enter your new change password. Go ahead and click on next. Is it really you? Push notification, email, WhatsApp. So you can use any of the options available for you. I'm going to go ahead and use WhatsApp right here. So the code is here, 138637. 138637. Click on next. We have updates, so go ahead and click on agree. And the account has been successfully password reset. So if you